the transit of Karkataka, the Jupiter transiting in the 8th house of Karkataka will be negative. So far, lot of good things would have happened in the last earlier transit. This transit will be very, very difficult transit. What you plan will not happen, what you say to people will not happen, and you will find yourself in difficult situation and circumstances. Close ones can pass away, there can be death of grandmother, father or mother into your life across, and it will be a very twisty and a turny time across. If you are doing into business, there will be lot of losses and difficulty. You will find the expansion very, very difficult across, and you might not be able to grow in the speed what you are expecting. I request you to do the remedial measure which will help you across. Play slow, play conservative, don't try to take unnecessary risk, and don't try to expand across. If you are in the work, stay in the place where you are working. Do not try to change the work. There will be a lot of problem and difficulty as far as the work is concerned. You can face opposition, your boss need not understand, and you need not be in a very cooperative situation and circumstances. There can be a lot of misunderstanding and problems can be there. You need to be very careful about what you communicate to people across. Otherwise, you are going to have a lot of difficulties and problem, and there can be what you call it as arguments and misunderstanding with people. It can be an end of one friendship and a beginning of new friendship into your life across. You should be very careful about your situations or circumstances which can be very hostile, and you can get attracted to negative people, and you might find yourself unable to grow big as far as the life is concerned. Play safe, play conservative, play within the rules. This will be very, very helpful with the transit across. You try to go above the ordinary. That is where the problem is. This is a difficult transit. Do the remedies and do take care of yourself.